This one is for trainers. One of the major challenges we all face as trainers is maintaining alignment with the original findings and recommendations stemming from the analysis process. Yet, as trainers, we sometimes drift off script, perhaps out of nervousness or a lack of preparation, or because of the constant expectation to be entertaining and to hold our learners' attention throughout the entire learning experience. After all, we want them to give our course a high score on the evaluation survey, right? Of course, we want program participants to like our courses, and we want them to like us. But liking isn't necessarily the same as learning, and it shouldn't take precedence over the learning of target knowledge and skills meant to improve target workplace performance. Remember, it's workplace performance that ultimately yields the target business results, which are the business goals of our employer or client. All of these targets were identified, established, and agreed upon during the analysis process, and they were the basis of the design and development of the course that we're expected to deliver. That's right. Managers, supervisors, top performers, subject matter experts, and analysts all have concluded that this particular chain of learning, performance, and results would lead the organization to its stated business goals, the very same goals that we want to help them achieve. This is how we demonstrate our effectiveness and bring value to the organization. Therefore, we can't simply prepare for our delivery by familiarizing ourselves with slide decks, learning content, and practice activities. Don't get me wrong, all of these things are important, but proper preparation first requires a clear understanding of the purpose of the learning program, including the findings and recommendations that came from the analysis process and the target measures for learning and workplace performance that all of those stakeholders determined, quite possibly long before we were ever assigned to deliver the course. When this information isn't readily available, we should ask for the relevant documentation, or at least a summary, of the findings, recommendations, and target measures for learning, performance, and results. Our priority is to ensure we guide our learners toward meeting all of these successfully, and if we don't have this information, we're setting up our learners and ourselves for failure. This will shake the organization's confidence in our ability to add value where it is needed. So we have to make sure we get in tune with the outcomes of the analysis process so we can make a difference in our learners' workplace performance, the organization's business results, and our own careers.